Howdy friends, it's Steve DePoe with the Rose Realty team. I'm here at 9608 Chert Drive in Denton. That's part of Ropes and Ranch. I am doing an open house this weekend at this property. I wanted to give you a preview before the open house on Saturday and Sunday, 1 to 3 both days. I kind of want to give you a preview so that you can get ready, set your time aside, and see me kind of come and visit me at this property in Ropes and Ranch. Let's take a look. It's a very nice house. This house was completed May 30th of this year. Never lived in, okay? Never lived in. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, listed at $497. So right off here, off the main entry, we have a kind of sitting room / office. Because of the door that's on here, there's a regular door on the front here. This could actually be used as another bedroom if you wanted to. You'd have to put in a closet, but it also could be a sort of a guest room. It could be the grandkids come over, take a visit, something like that. Here's the laundry room. So we have a hookup here for a washer and a dryer. Kind of a little nook over here where we would have potentially a coffee maker, that kind of thing over here. We're going to cross the hallway over here to a closet. Nice size closet right off the main hallway. We have a full bath over here, laundry closet, and we have a front bedroom here. Nice size front bedroom. Everything in the house is in neutral colors, painted kind of like off-white walls. Very nice. You can use your imagination. You don't have to paint it, repaint it all. It's a very nice setup, very tastefully done. We walk into the main living area. We're going to see here the main living room. We have a huge, I think this is a 85-inch flat screen TV that's included, and a 60-inch fireplace there at the bottom. I actually picked the green colors myself because, hey, green's my favorite color. We want to take a look here at the kitchen. Very nice cabinets. For number one, there's a lot of cabinets here, number one. And number two, I really like the style of the cabinets. They're really well done, and the handle pulls are really classy. Kitchen sink, one of those huge metal kitchen sinks. I kind of like those rather than the divided ones, but kitchen sink right there. Naturally, dishwasher, electric stove and oven. Kind of the dining area or the eat-in kitchen right here in front of us. We're gonna come back to the outside. Right now, first of all, we're going to go take a look at the master bedroom. Sweet. Nice size master bedroom. The backyard faces north, so you don't have to worry about sun first thing in the morning. Nice size master bedroom. Brand new windows, obviously, and wall window coverings. Here's in her sinks over here. We have the water closet back there. Nice size shower. It's also got a seat there for you should you need to sit down. Really a huge master closet. This is actually for the Montecito. This is a really good sized master closet. I really like it. Let's take a walk on through back to the other side of the house. We're going to take a look outside real quickly. We've got a 2-car garage. Remember, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, a little bit over 1,600 square feet. All of the warranty items, all of the warranties, still hold for this property, right? Because it was completed on May 30th. So we have right here, we have a nice little casita out, not a little casita, sorry, nice little lanai out back. It's kind of a smallish property, which is great because there's not a lot to take care of. And if somebody's gonna take care of it for you, it's not going to be a lot of cost. This is a great house. Like I said, finished on May 30th, never lived in, and you're surrounded here, 360-degree view here of brand new houses. This is a new section in Robeson. There you go. This is a new section. This is a new section in Robeson Ranch. All the houses, all your neighbors here are going to be brand new to the neighborhood, as will you. Again, open house Saturday and Sunday, 1 to 3 both days. I'll be here. I'd like to see you here too. This is Steve DePoe from the Rose Realty team. This is 9608 Chert Drive in Robeson. Come on out, give me a visit this Saturday and Sunday. I'll see you then.